Hi
Hi
friends.
friends, today we are headed towards Novotel which is located in the Khopoli village. So we'll go to Imagica from there. So here we are at the Reliance Corporate Park where we are waiting for my father to come, and then we'll head towards Novotel that's in the Khopoli village. So that takes approximately 2 hours.
A few moments later.
Now here is my father and now we are headed towards the Novotel hotel. I'm super excited.
So friends, we have started our journey and let's enjoy the beautiful view. So there is a very beautiful view, greenery all around from Mumbai to Khopoli. So there's a MIT University there. And now we are entering into 1 kilometer long tunnel. It was very dark. Finally, we are coming out of the tunnel. Again, fantastic view all around. Now we are entering into toll tax. And now we are about to reach our destination, and you can see that small shops around, that vada pav shop and all. And here is our destination, that is Novotel Imagica. So we are entering. There is a valet parking there, so we have given our car to the valet and they will park. So this is the reception area. It's holidays time, so much crowd there. There are so many selfie points. So see, my daughter is taking selfies all around. Oh, this is the welcome drink section. She is going to have one. This is the refreshing mango drink. You can say it's kind of fruity. There are luggages all around. So many people are waiting in the queue for check-in. So meanwhile, my husband is doing that check-in formality. We are visiting that lobby area. There is a Sula wine shop. Now comes the Tubby's meal box. So you must try that Tubby's meal box if you have small kids with you. So here is my favorite section, that mango section. So you will find all the mango delicacies there. So mango pastries, mango muffins, cakes, smoothies, everything is available in this shop. So this is a lucky coin drop game where you have to drop the coin in a glass which is put in between the water. Now some selfie time of mom and daughter. We are the stars of Imagica. Now here there is a Tatwa spa. It was fantastic. I tried that and you must try that spa. There is a beautiful slogan written in the wall. And here also there is a play area where you can put your small kids and they will definitely enjoy there. This is the outside view of the hotel where there is a swimming pool also. So we have reached the hotel in the afternoon time, so we have skipped the swimming part for now. Definitely we will come for swimming in the evening, but now we are very hungry, so after that check-in we will directly go for lunch. So again, that outer part of the hotel is fantastic with lots of greenery. There is a small shop also in that hotel, and you will also find that theme park and water park tickets from here. This is that lift area. And finally we got our room keys and we are heading towards our room. Our room number is 322 and now my daughter is opening that room. So now we headed towards lunch as we were very hungry. So in the lunch you will find so many options in the buffet. So all vegetarian and non-vegetarian options available there, with lots of desserts options also and salads options, ice cream varieties, everything was there. So we will check out some of that options. Yeah, that tomato mint pulao was amazing. This is the dessert section and here we are enjoying our food. So now comes the most amazing part of our day, and that is enjoying in the swimming pool. So it's evening time now and we have come for swimming. So now at the night time we are relaxing in that lobby area. Again, this is the day 2 in the morning time. There is a grand parade of Tubby and friends, which we all enjoyed a lot. They have done an amazing performance. And guys, don't miss their performance. It will start from 9:45. So after breakfast we came here directly in that reception area, and in the reception area only they will start that dance performance, and after there they go to that cafeteria. So let's enjoy that dance performance. And if you like this video, then please share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Bye friends, I hope you like this video.